Good morning YouTube, good morning everyone. Welcome back to John Daniels 254. It's another beautiful morning. The sun is out and shining after it snowed. But the snow is still all over, guys. The snow is still all over. It's lovely, it's just lovely. So I'm heading to the park, having some time to go and film. This is how things are out here, guys. So when it snows, guys, I like making snowballs. I'm gonna be showing you how to make a snowball from ice. After snowing, how you can make an ice ball from the ice, guys. So did it snow in your country, in your city, in your village, in your town? Let me know in the comment section down below. And continue watching my videos. You can have a look at my video on how it started snowing. I captured it as it was just starting, guys, so you can go and have a look at that. Look at the park, guys. The park is covered in snow. Yeah, for those of you who normally watch my morning walks, you know this field is lush green, but the grass is all covered now, all covered in snow. Yeah. All covered in snow, guys. I'm in Iceland now. I'm on my trainers. I wish I had my boots on, because I'm just thinking of how I can go like in there, guys. Yeah. The guy who walked on snow. It's freezing, guys. It's freezing. I now want to show you how to make an ice ball using ice. I feel like I'm in Iceland, guys. That's how the weather is here. Yeah. And some dogs are still here enjoying. Surviving in Iceland, guys. It's damn freezing right now. Yeah, my hands are numb. My fingers are numb, guys. Yeah. probably more reason for you to subscribe. So right about now I want to start making the ice ball. So guys, right now I want to make an ice ball. Yeah, I want to make an ice ball. This is how I'm gonna do it. Just roll it. I want to make a massive snowball, guys. Yeah. It's coming up nicely, guys. Massive snowball. How to make a massive snow slab. This is really fun, guys. It's really fun. Some dog walkers are staring at me. They're wondering what's wrong with this man, man. This is one among the many fun activities you can do when it snows, guys. Yeah, you can turn this into a family event and have fun, just like I'm having fun right now. As you roll it, it grows big, and it also depends on how you roll it, guys. Yeah. Let's go. Let's do this. Guys, just remember to touch the ice on your bare hands. I came ready prepared. Massive ice ball in the making. You ready? Ready for the results? Oh. Snowball in the making. Making of a snowball. Massive, guys. It's coming up. Oh. Manpower. Yeah. Oh. This requires some massive energy, guys. Oh. Getting heavy now. Oh. Come on. Come on, John, do this. Yeah. 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 Oh. I'm making a massive ice ball right after the snow 2024. Yeah, this way I am now, still going. Massive ice ball. Yeah, making a massive ice ball from ice. I need a drink, guys. I'm already thirsty. It's really heavy, but I'm on it, making of an ice ball. I've finished. This is my end product. You see this massive lump? Oh, come on, John. Yeah, I did it. I did it, guys. Did it. That's a massive snowball, like you can see, guys. Yeah. Massive snowball. Yeah. I hope you've enjoyed this, guys. If you've not subscribed to the channel, please make sure you subscribe. Let's get to 1,000. I'm now heading back to the house, guys. And this is how things are outside my house. But the river is still not frozen. I'm very sure right now if you step inside, it's freezing.